Hello everyone, welcome back to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy.
In this lesson, we're going to learn how to make sentences using be verbs plus prepositional phrases. This will help you talk about locations, where people and things are.
Let's get started.
Before we learn the pattern, we need to understand what a prepositional phrase is. A prepositional phrase tells us where someone or something is. Examples of prepositions: in, on, at, near, under, in front of, behind. Let's look at them one by one. In, used for inside a space. The book is in the bag. She is in the room. On, used for surfaces. The phone is on the table. The keys are on the chair. At, used for specific points or places. He is at the bus stop. We are at home. Near, close to something. The school is near the park. Our shop is near the bank. Under, below something. The cat is under the bed. My shoes are under the chair. In front of, the facing or front position. The car is in front of the house. The bank is in front of the hotel. Behind, at the back.
The painting is behind me. The dog is behind the door. These are basic prepositions that we use every day to describe places. This pattern tells us where something or someone is. Subject plus be verb plus prepositional phrase. Remember the be verbs. Am with I, is with he, she, it, are with we, you, they.
These always match the subject. I am at home. I am in the room. I am near the shop. He is on the bus. She is in the kitchen. It is under the table. You are behind the door. We are in front of the school. They are at the station. These sentences help you talk about locations easily. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. She is in the room. They are near the shop. It is under the table. We are at the park. I am in front of the house. Great. Keep practicing to speak confidently. Now, fill in the blanks with am, is, or are. I am in the car. She is at home. They are behind the building. It is on the table. We are in the classroom. Say your answers out loud. Nice job. Excellent work today. You learned how to make sentences using subject, be verb, prepositional phrase.
Now you can talk about where people and things are.
Keep practicing. English becomes easier when you use it every day.
Thank you for learning with LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. See you in the next class.